For more than 30 years, Unique Group has been engineering technology used across some of the world's most demanding environments. Every project begins with collaboration. We work closely with our clients to understand their challenges. Our teams develop customized solutions designed for real operational environments. Through dedicated research and development, we transform ideas into reliable technology. Our global engineering and manufacturing hubs support projects around the world. Our Seaflex inflatable buoyancy systems support a wide range of marine and infrastructure applications. Our integrated dive systems support complex underwater operations worldwide. Our CMF-E systems deliver precise excavation in challenging environments. Our unmanned surface vessels support modern survey and inspection missions. Together with our clients, we deliver solutions that solve real operational challenges. Made by Unique, built in-house, trusted to perform.